Progressive politicians advocate for a comprehensive approach to healthcare reform aimed at ensuring that all individuals have access to affordable and high-quality healthcare. Here are the views and policies that progressive politicians typically strive for on healthcare. Progressive politicians support the idea of universal healthcare, which means that every resident of the country has access to healthcare services without facing financial barriers. They believe that healthcare is a fundamental human right and advocate for a healthcare system that provides coverage for all, regardless of income, employment status, or pre-existing conditions. Many progressive politicians endorse a single-payer healthcare system, in which a single government entity, usually at the federal level, covers healthcare costs for all residents. This system eliminates the complexity of multiple private insurers and aims to lower administrative costs, negotiate lower drug prices, and ensure comprehensive coverage for all medical needs. Medicare for All is a specific proposal endorsed by many progressive politicians, which would expand the existing Medicare program to cover all Americans, regardless of age. Under this plan, everyone would be enrolled in a government-run healthcare program that provides comprehensive coverage for medical services, including doctor visits, hospital stays, prescription drugs, mental health services, and preventive care. Some progressive politicians support the creation of a public option, which would allow individuals to buy into a government-run healthcare plan alongside private insurance options. This approach aims to increase competition in the healthcare market, lower premiums and out-of-pocket costs, and provide a fallback option for individuals who cannot afford or do not have access to private insurance. Progressive politicians advocate for measures to regulate the prices of prescription drugs and ensure that medications are affordable for all patients. This may include allowing the government to negotiate drug prices with pharmaceutical companies, importing lower-cost medications from other countries, and limiting price gouging by pharmaceutical manufacturers. Progressive politicians prioritize reproductive healthcare and advocate for policies to ensure that individuals have access to comprehensive reproductive healthcare services, including contraception, abortion care, prenatal care, and maternal health care. They oppose efforts to restrict reproductive rights and work to protect and expand access to reproductive healthcare services for all individuals. Progressive politicians recognize the importance of mental and substance abuse treatment and advocate for policies to improve access to these services. This may include expanding coverage for mental health and substance abuse treatment under healthcare plans, increasing funding for mental health programs and facilities, and integrating mental health services into primary care settings. Progressive politicians address health disparities and social determinants of health by advocating for policies that address underlying social and economic factors that impact health outcomes. This may include investments in affordable housing, nutritious food access, education, employment opportunities, and community-based healthcare services in underserved communities. Progressive politicians support policies to improve long-term care and disability services for individuals with chronic illnesses, disabilities, and elderly populations. This may include expanding coverage for home and community-based services, increasing funding for long-term care programs, and improving accessibility and affordability of assistive technologies and support services. In summary, progressive politicians prioritize healthcare as a fundamental human right and advocate for policies that ensure universal access to affordable and high-quality healthcare for all individuals. Their proposals aim to create a healthcare system that is equitable, comprehensive, and centered on the needs of patients rather than profits. Well, I hope you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you would check out my other channel, Concise Chomsky, link on the homepage and in the comments, that would be appreciated. Now, take care and bye-bye.